Okay, so another piece of my stuff came in today. This is one of those little AN fittings. They come in aluminum and copper, this being the copper one. You can use these on the aluminums or the steel fittings. The aluminum ones are only good for aluminum to aluminum. So anyway, got to find the right wrench and see if we can't get it installed over there. Alright, well, this is a heck of a lot easier to do with the deck lid off, but I should be able to get in there and get it. I got it loose, just got to pull it apart a little bit. Let's see how it goes. Alright, so anyway, that's how it fits. I'm all coated in oil now because it like dripped all over me when I took it apart, but I'm going to cram it back on there. Let's see what happens. Okay, all bolted back up there. Should be pretty tight. I got all the drips off, wiped it down really well. I think it's okay. Okay, I just took it for a little trip around the block. That's always been enough in the past to be able to get a little ooze out of it. So if it's going to leak, it's going to leak, and all I got to do is put my finger under there and I can tell. Awesome. It's dry. Very good. Something worked today over the last few days. At least I got an oil leak fixed. Okay, now I also did one other thing today. See if I can block some of the light. I think I said earlier that I had tightened this tank up so much that it wasn't breathing right. So you'd hear it go hiss when you pop the gas cap open, it would hiss at you. So I put a teeny tiny hole right there in the top of that fitting. I might have to make it a little bit smaller, but for right now it's good enough.